Hello student, welcome back to VPMP Polytechnic YouTube channel. I am Shweta Patel. I am a lecturer in computer department. Today my topic is applet programming. This is the part of unit 1 and the unit name is Java applet. The main objective of this session are introduction of applet, the different types of applet, then advantage of applet and the disadvantage of applet. नॉर्मली एप्लेट अभी इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि जावा प्रोवाइड द लेटेस्ट फीचर्स अबाउट द वेब एप्लीकेशन बट एज द थियरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एप्लेट इज मोस्ट IMP टॉपिक फॉर अस सो वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एप्लेट. Now first the definition of the applet. Applet is a special type of program that is embedded in the web page to generate the dynamic content, or we can say that an applet is a special kind of Java program that is run in a Java enabled web browser. In other words, we can say that applet are a small Java application that can be accessed on the internet server, transported over internet, and can be automatically installed and run as a part of web document. This is the first Java program that can run over the network using the browser. The next point of applet is it run inside the browser and work at a client side. The final definition of applet is that Java applet is a Java class that you embedded in an HTML page and is downloaded and executed by the web browser. Applet cannot be executed directly because applet are not standalone program. Instead, they can run within either a web browser or an applet viewer. JDK provide a standard applet viewer tool called applet viewer. Applet viewer is used to run the applet program. Applet use java.applet package to run the program, and for that it import java.applet.star package in the applet program. So this is all about applet in a Java. Now we discuss about the type of applet. Applet have a two type. The first type is a local applet and the second type is remote applet. Now first we discuss local applet. An applet developed locally and stored in a local system is known as local applet. Applet, that means local applet, does not require the internet connection because when a web page is trying to find out a local applet, it does not need to use the internet, and therefore the local system does not require the internet connection. So this is the reason local applet does not require internet connection. It simply searches the directory which is stored in the local system and locates and load the specified applet. User can write his own applet and embed them into a web pages. So this is about the local applet in a Java. Now we discuss about remote applet. An applet which is developed by someone else and stored on the remote computer connected to the internet is known as remote applet. Remote applet, or we can say that an applet which is stored remotely on the server computer is called remote applet. If our system is connected to the internet, we can download the remote applet into our system via internet and then run it. User can thus download an applet from the remote computer system. In order to locate and load a remote applet, we must know the applet address on a web. And this address is known as a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, and must be specified in the applet's HTML document as the value of code base attribute. That means for remote applet, we have to compulsory specify the code base attribute of applet in a HTML page. In a case of local applet, code base may be absent or may specify a local directory. So this is about the remote applet in a Java. Now we discuss about the difference between local applet and remote applet. This is the most IMP question for the GTU exam. The first difference between local applet and remote applet is its definition. The definition of local applet is an applet developed locally and stored in a local system is known as a local applet, while a remote applet which is developed by someone else and stored on the remote computer connected to the internet. Local applet does not require the internet connection because it searches only a local directory, while remote applet required internet connection because it used the URL. Now, the next difference between local applet and remote applet are it can be accessed in a local computer, while in a remote applet it can be accessed by all computer connected with the server. Code base attribute of applet is optional for the local applet. That means code base attributes are not used or are not specified in a local applet. While for the remote applet, we have to compulsory required code base attribute of applet which are used to specify the address of remote applet or the URL of remote applet. So these are the difference between local applet and remote applet. Now we discuss when to use applet. That means the situation in which we use the applet. The first one is when we need something dynamic to be included in the display of web page. That means the page which contain a web content. Then we use applet programming in a Java. The second use is when we required some flash output. For example, applet that produces sounds, animation or some special effect would be used when displaying certain pages. The next point is when we want to create a program and make it available on the internet for us by other on their computers. In short, for developing a web application in a Java, we use the applet. So these are the requirements where we use the applet programming. Now, the advantage of applet. The first advantage of applet is it works at a client side. So it required less response time. Second one is applet is a secure. Third one is it can be executed by a browser running under a many platform like a Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. Now we discuss about the disadvantage of applet or drawback of applet. The applet have only one drawback, and the drawback is plugin is required at a client browser to execute applet. That means applet required some plugins which are compulsory installed at the client side. So this is the drawback of applet. Now hope you all are clear about the applet in a Java. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.